Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. Hint: repairing tools. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found in our webshop. Just follow the links in the video description. The iPhone 6 is usually relatively easy to open, but when it comes to transferring the single components from the old LCD screen to the new one, it becomes difficult. As a result, the repair can only be recommended for people who have already advanced experience in repairing smartphones. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Separating the LCD screen from the middle cover. Power off the mobile phone. Remove the SIM card tray, for example with the help of a paperclip. Fix the suction cup on the LCD screen in the lower area. Remove 2 screws, pentalobe, beside the charging connector, dock connector. Try to raise the LCD screen just a little bit by pulling the suction cup to slice the plectrum tool between LCD screen and middle cover. Start levering with the plectrum tool once around until you can raise up the LCD screen completely. Just clap the LCD screen to the top. Attention! In the upper section the LCD screen is still connected with the middle cover via 2 flex cables of the LCD screen and touchscreen. Remove 2 screws, cross, from the covering of the battery connector. Remove the covering with a tweezer. Release the battery connector with the spudger. Hint: disconnecting the battery should be done at the beginning of every repair to prevent an electrical short. Remove 5 screws, cross, from the covering of the LCD flex connectors. Remove the covering with a tweezer. Disconnect the 2 flex cables, LCD and touchscreen, to make sure that the LCD screen is separated from the middle cover completely. Removing components from the old display unit to transfer them to the new LCD screen. Release 2 screws, cross, from the covering of the home button and remove it with a tweezer. Disconnect the home button with the plectrum tool. Push the home button from the front through the opening. It is recommended to heat the flex cable slightly from the front of the LCD screen to make it easier to remove it and to prevent damages. Remove the home button flex cable completely. Remove 7 screws, cross, from the back plate of the LCD screen, 3 screws on every side and 1 beside the home button. Remove 3 screws, cross, from the module covering, speaker and front camera in the upper section of the LCD screen. Remove the covering with a tweezer. Before you can remove the backplate completely, you have to release the connection in the lower section of the plate. It could be helpful to heat the connection for that purpose from the front of the LCD screen. Remove the speaker module with the help of the tweezer. Release the front camera module with the spudger. Do also heat the module slightly from the front of the LCD screen. Release the connectors with the tweezer and remove the whole module. Transferring components from the old LCD screen to the new one. Remove the protective foil from the back of the new LCD screen. Fix the front camera module and push it slightly down with the spudger. Fix the speaker module and push it also slightly down. Lay the front camera over the speaker module and push it down slightly. Lay down the backplate on the LCD screen and adjust it. Link the connection besides the home button. Adjust the covering of the module and fix it with 3 screws. Attention! Be patient. It maybe take some time until everything is fitting fine. Fix the backplate with the 7 screws. Put the home button down into the opening and push it slightly. Use the spudger to push the frame of the home button solid. Link the home button connector. Fix the covering of the home button with 2 screws. As you can see in the next step, we also removed the battery for the repair. However, this is not necessary if only the LCD screen is to be replaced. If you also want to know how to replace the battery of your iPhone 6, do also watch this video. iPhone 6 Battery Replacement. Connecting the LCD screen with the middle cover. Link the flex connectors, LCD and touchscreen, with the mainboard. Arrange the LCD screen for that purpose upright to the middle cover to brace it. Fix the covering of the connectors with 5 screws. Closing the device. Lay down the LCD screen to the middle cover and start pushing the LCD screen solid on the middle cover. Push it solid once around until the mobile phone is closed completely. Fix the 2 screws, pentalobe, beside the dock connector. Power on the mobile phone and test it for functionalities. Insert the SIM card tray. If you also want to know how to replace the battery of your iPhone 6, do also watch this video. iPhone 6 battery replacement. If you have any questions or recommendations about our video, please leave us a comment. And if you liked the video, we are happy about a thumbs up.